Clarion Books and Harper Audio present Little Blue Truck Makes a Friend by Alice Schertle, performed by Oliver Wyman. To Jen, Drew, Spence, Dylan, Kate, John, Mary, Aaron, and now Clara. Alice Schertle. Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little Blue Truck was on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. Hen came running.
Cluck, 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 I've got news. Stop, Little Blue Truck. Someone moved in down the road. Someone different, Blue and Toad.
Honk, said Goose.
No feathers, I've...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?